Hello viewers, welcome back once again for the voice app training. In the first part we have covered like what is meant by voice assistant and what is meant by the voice flow and what are the different types of languages can be used for the voice flow, and we have also seen like what are the different types of basic blocks in that voice flow, and based on that blocks we have created a basic project about the jokes or inspirational code, right? And in the last video we have also seen like how to upload a project to our mobile phones, that like whatever we create in the desktop that can be worked in our mobile phones, and we have seen that one also. And now we can see the further part in the voice flow. That is API, means application programming interface, and that protocols can be used in the further projects I'll be using, like jokes app or weatherbit, like that. So without any delay we'll see what is meant by API is. API stands for application program interface, means a programmer writing an application program can make a request to the operating system using API. So you can see the definition from here, or I will give a brief definition about an API. Means that an API is a messenger that runs and delivers you request to the provider you are requesting it from, and then delivers the response back then to you. Means whatever you need, means whatever you request for the need, that can be asked through the API, and that API delivers the response back then to you. So let's see the like the API using companies. Like for the web app, means this API can be also used for web developments and for gaming consoles and for smartphones like Google, and the companies like Google, Amazon, and these websites and connected cars like Tesla. So these APIs can be used for these companies also, you can see here. And let's based on this example like definition, let's apply this to a real API example. Like this Google map, means this Google map shows us the direction where to go. Like this Google Maps also shows the delivery boys like Swiggy or Zomato, like that they can also use this Google map for the direction. So this Google map also uses uh, API protocols. Like if you want to book a cab for the of Uber or Ola, this Google Maps sends the request to the Uber or Ola cabs, like how many cars are available and is the driver is available or not. And based on the API request, the Uber or Ola cab, means that companies give a response to the Google Maps about the like the availability of cars and all. Based on that, the user can book the car easily from the Google Map itself. No need to use another apps for booking the cabs. So this API request can be used for booking these cabs or for the online shopping, etc. And this API also like allows computer to operate them, and that creates the ultimate connectivity. So API provides the standard way of accessing application data or devices, like shopping from your mobile phones or accessing a cloud application network. And further, if you see a special category also of API, means that is called REST, that is representational state transfer, which includes methods like get, put, post, delete, and these methods are RESTful APIs. You can go through this definition, and these APIs can be carried out by the use of HTTPs, that is also called as hypertext transfer protocols. So let's see the usage of this API. See, these are the usage of API. You can go through this, and this the API and the protocols can be used for the voice flow, like building for voice flow, and that protocols will be using in the voice flow projects. And if you have not understood about this API, in the further projects you will get an idea about the API. In the further projects I'll be making the projects like random jokes app and the weather, like weather conditions, weather bit conditions. So from that you can get an idea what is API means. Thank you.